fill it up really easy. There's a mark right here, and you line up that mark with the hole in the drum. Now I can see directly through both sides. Next, you measure out 2 fathoms this material. Pair of pliers or knife or something. Cut off the cord about 2 fathoms. Run them through here. Push it all the way through. Pull it till it's level, or even I should say. Not to be exact, it'll trim itself off. As if you're facing this, hold the inside and turn the outside clockwise. And what it does is it winds it all up for you inside the drum. Notice one end's a little longer, doesn't make any difference. There's a metal thing here, it'll trim it all off. Only once more. That's about perfect. There you go.